What's the meaning of AI? AI. 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 AI.
AI stands for Artificial Intelligence, which refers to the development of algorithms and computer programs that are capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as learning, problem-solving, decision-making, perception and language understanding. AI has become increasingly prevalent in many aspects of modern society, including business, healthcare, entertainment, and transportation, among others. The ultimate goal of AI is to create machines that can perform complex tasks with human-like intelligence, making life more convenient, efficient and enjoyable for humans.